Hello students, today we learn about decimal numbers. A decimal number can be whose whole number part and the fractional part separated by a decimal point. We can understood by place value chart. Let's take an example 2438.571. After the decimal digits, we read separately to them as 571. In the place value chart, here see 2 at the thousand place, 4 at the hundred place, 3 is tens place, 8 is ones place. First place after the decimal we got by dividing 10. Second place after the decimal we got by dividing 100. Third place after the decimal we got divided by 1000. Clearly. So in the place value chart, expanded form of its figure will be 2 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 8 plus 5 into 1 upon 10 plus 7 into 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 1000. Clear? So this will be place value of this figure. In the number line, we understand by 10th part means if we can 10th part of the between the 0 and 1, it will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9. Clear? Now we understood comparing of the numbers. Clear? Let an example. Take some figures 3, 3.1, 3.01, 33. Comparing of these numbers, we make like decimal form to the them numbers. Here see, after the decimal 2 digits is maximum among these numbers. So we put after decimal 2 digits in all. 3 become 3.00, 3.1 become 3.10, 3.01 as it is, and 33 become 33.00. Now compare before start comparing before the decimal digits. Here 33 is greatest value, so 33.00 will be greatest number. Now before digits remain numbers 3, 3, 3 here, so all is the same. Clear? Now we compare first digit of the decimal after decimal digits. Here 0, here 1 and here 0. So 1 is greater number, so second greatest number will be 3.10. And now compare after the decimal digit second digit. Second digit is here 0, 0, 1. Clear? Remaining digits. So 3.00 will be last digit and 3.01 will be second last digit. Now we understand multiplying and division of the decimal numbers. Clear? Multiply of the numbers. Let's take an example 1.07 into 0.02. Clear? Firstly, we remove the decimal from the both numbers. Remove decimal and put 1 under it, and after decimal 2 digits, so we put 2 zeros. This process will be continued, decimal removed and 2 digits as 2 zero placed under the digits. Clear? Now decimal removed, so numerators multiplied and this will be 214. Now under it 1 2 3 4 0 4 0. Clear? So we make 4 digits after the 4 digits, place decimal after the 4 digit. Clear? So 1 2 3 4, put decimal. Clear? Actually in dividing by 10 or 100 or 1000, we place decimal to the left side after the number of digit as same as the zeros. Clear? Now next 0.03. Clear? Into 1000. Now remove decimal and put 1 and 2 0, because here 2 digits after the decimal and 2 0 cancel by 2 0 and answer will be 30. Now see here important example 0.03 into 1000. Clear? This will be another method of multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000. Here see 3 zeros. Clear? So decimal shifted after 3 digits to the right side of the digits. So 1 2 and put the 1 0 here. So decimal put here after the 3 digits. Clearly? So it will be decimal shifted here. So it will be only 30. 30.0 means 30. Now see division of the decimals. Let take example 6.4 divided by 2. Clear? Now 6.4 becomes 64 by 10 and reciprocal of 2 upon 1 will be 1 by 2 and multiply change into divide change into multiplied. So by cancelling 64 by 2 it will be 32. 32 divided by 10. Here only 1 0. So put decimal after the 1 place to the left side from the first digit. So it will be 3.2. And see another example 6.4 divided by 100. Here on the dividing, remember always decimal shifted after the digits as it is number of zeros in the denominator. So decimal shifted here after the 2 digits. Here only 1 digit, so put 1 0 extra. So decimal shifted here and it will be 0.064. Now take another example 27 divided by 0.03. 27 in the like decimals 27.00 and 0.03 by divided. Now numerator and denominator is become like decimal form. So decimal will be removed and this will be 2700 upon 3 and answer will be 900. Take another example 22.5 upon 1.5. This numerator and denominator is a like decimal form because after decimal 1 digit. So remove the decimals and it will be 225 upon 15 and answer will be 15. In additions, we take example of average. Let we find to average of these three numbers 4, 4.2, 0.08. Clear? So formula of average, finding the average equal to sum of the numbers upon total numbers. Clear? So sum of the numbers 4, add 4, 4.2, 0.08, 4 become 4.00 in the like decimal form, and 4.2 become 4.20, and 0.08, and add to the them as put the decimal in the as manner. Clear? 8.28 is will be answer, and 8.28 divided by 3 because total number here 3, and divided, put the decimal here 8.28, remove here decimal, so 8.28 will be 8.28 upon 100, separate to the 1 upon 100 and divided to number, it will be 276, and here also 100, so divided by 100 it, put the decimal left to the side after 2 digits. Clear? And take an example of subtraction. 2.7 from 3. From we write firstly digits after the from, which is become after the digits from. So it will be 3.0 and 2.7, and subtract them as the procedure. Clear? Now we read conversion of the decimals. Clear? Conversion of decimals we read in the next video. Clear? Okay, bye. See you, students.